Hello everyone! Are you wondering what skoliosexual means? Let's explore. Skoliosexual describes an attraction to non-binary individuals, meaning those whose gender identity doesn't fit within the traditional categories of male or female. Skoliosexual people are specifically drawn to individuals who identify as genderqueer, gender fluid, or any other non-binary identity. This orientation emphasizes an attraction that goes beyond the binary understanding of gender, focusing instead on the diverse expressions of gender outside of male and female. Skoliosexuality recognizes and values the complexity of non-binary identities, offering a term for those who are particularly attracted to this gender diversity. In essence, skoliosexuality is about being attracted to people who exist outside the traditional gender binary, embracing the wide spectrum of non-binary gender identities. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.